That's not fair. How do you guys still like? How you guys stuck there and they all can go home? That's not fair. But by the way, oh my goodness, we saw a celebrity at the airport.